In the heart of a sunlit meadow, where wildflowers painted the landscape with hues of red, yellow, and purple, lived a bustling community of bees. This meadow, known as the Haven, was a sanctuary for these incredible creatures. The bees' home, a hive nestled within an ancient oak tree, was a marvel of natural engineering. At dawn, as the first rays of sunlight filtered through the trees, the hive came alive with activity. Worker bees, the backbone of the colony, began their day. These diligent females, equipped with extraordinary abilities, flew out in search of nectar and pollen. Their journey was guided by an innate sense of direction and the memory of floral patterns they had encountered before. Bees communicated in a fascinating way. When a forager found a rich source of nectar, she returned to the hive and performed a waggle dance. This dance, a figure-8 movement, conveyed precise information about the distance and direction of the flowers. The other bees would follow her instructions, heading out in the described direction. Inside the hive, a complex and harmonious society thrived. At its heart was the queen bee, a regal figure whose primary role was to lay eggs. The queen's presence was vital. Her pheromones kept the colony cohesive and regulated the activities of the workers. A single queen could lay up to 2,000 eggs a day during peak season, ensuring the hive's survival and growth. The life cycle of a bee began as an egg, laid in one of the hexagonal cells of the hive's honeycomb. After 3 days, the egg hatched into a larva. Nurse bees, another group of workers, fed the larvae a diet of royal jelly for the first few days, then transitioned to a mixture of honey and pollen, known as bee bread. In just over a week, the larvae spun cocoons around themselves and entered the pupal stage. Metamorphosis ensued, transforming them into adult bees within 12 days. The drone bees, the male members of the hive, had a singular purpose: to mate with a queen from another colony. Their lives were short but crucial for the genetic diversity and survival of bee populations. One of the most enchanting aspects of bees was their role in pollination. As bees flitted from flower to flower, collecting nectar, pollen grains stuck to their bodies and were transferred to other blooms. This process was essential for the reproduction of many plants, including a significant portion of the crops humans relied on for food. Almonds, apples, blueberries, and countless other fruits and vegetables depended on bees for pollination. However, the life of a bee was fraught with challenges. Pesticides, habitat loss, and diseases like the varroa mite threatened their existence. Beekeepers and scientists worked tirelessly to protect these vital insects, developing strategies to combat these threats and preserve their populations. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows over the haven, the bees returned to their hive, laden with nectar. This nectar would be converted into honey, stored in the wax cells to sustain the colony through the winter months. Honey, a miraculous substance, had antibacterial properties and never spoiled, a testament to the bees' incredible efficiency and foresight. The hive, now quiet and resting, was a symbol of nature's intricate balance and the extraordinary abilities of these small but mighty creatures. The story of the bees, their unwavering work ethic, and their critical role in the ecosystem was a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. In the Haven, as in countless meadows around the world, the secret life of bees continued, a tale of resilience, cooperation, and the enduring magic of the natural world.